Open OBS Studio and click Settings. To find the best OBS Studio settings, we need to configure the video, output, audio, and encoder options based on your computer. Start with the video section. Set the base canvas resolution to match the resolution of the screen or game you're capturing. For most full HD setups, 1920 by 1080 is a good choice. Next, choose your output resolution. If your computer is powerful enough, you can keep it at 1920 by 1080. If you're experiencing lag or performance issues, reducing it to 1280 by 720 can make OBS run more smoothly. Now choose your FPS. 60 FPS is ideal for gaming and fast-moving content, while 30 FPS is a better option for lower-end computers or simple tutorials. Next, open the Output section and change the output mode to Advanced. Go to the Recording or Streaming tab and select a suitable encoder. If your graphics card supports hardware encoding, using it can reduce CPU usage and improve performance. Adjust the bitrate or quality settings according to your recording or streaming platform. Avoid using extremely high settings if your computer or internet connection cannot handle them. Now open the Audio section and make sure your microphone and desktop audio devices are selected correctly. A sample rate of 48K Hz is a good choice for most video and streaming setups. Before using these settings for an important recording or live stream, make a short test. Check the video quality, audio levels, frame rate, and OBS performance.